So guys, I wanted to quickly let you know how I feel about Jordan Mackey's Make Money on YouTube course. Let me just say that I purchased Jordan's course over a year ago, and it was such a great course that I've been a fan of Jordan's teachings since then. And I rarely come across a course or a mentor that I actually get attached to. And that's because the course is not only packed with a ton of value, but it's simple to follow and it's simple to apply the strategies that he teaches you. But most importantly, Jordan continues to add value even after the course is complete. One of the biggest takeaways that I have coming, across this course is Jordan's Facebook group By 9 to 5, which is an awesome community of students where ideas are discussed, accomplishments are acknowledged, and where Jordan continues to teach and help us all succeed. He goes over everything from starting a YouTube channel to SEO, keyword research, thumbnail creation, and just simply growing your channel from scratch to whatever your heart desires. It was definitely well worth the purchase, and I'm extremely glad that I came across the course.